Hey everybody, this is Brian, head tutor from ScoreBeyond, coming at you from ScoreBeyond headquarters in sunny Menlo Park, California. Let's tackle this SAT writing and language question. So the SAT writing section is going to test more than just grammar rules, like with this question here. This question is asking, which of the following choices provides an accurate interpretation of the data in the chart? Some of the writing passages will have charts or infographics with them. This is one of them. So let's take a look at the passage and the chart and see what we can find. So this question is referring to a specific part of the passage, which you can see in the highlighted section of this passage. It's basically this sentence here. We can see from the context of the passage, and especially the first sentence there, that this highlighted sentence will likely have to do with new commercial air conditioning and furnace standards. The sentence just before talks about the first phase, in which these standards will deliver 13% efficiency improvement in products, and then the highlighted sentence says, okay, 5 years after 2018, in 2023, the Department of Energy will rewrite the 2015 energy efficiency standards. So the second phase isn't so much about a percent improvement as a certain action that the Department of Energy will take. So let's go down to the chart at the bottom and see if we can find any information related to the context we just read and the highlighted sentence. So in the chart, we can see that it is detailing the change in commercial energy efficiency standards. In phase 1, which we read about, they get a required increase in efficiency of 13% improvement. Phase 2, implemented in 2023, will get a 15% beyond phase 1. So not just 15% total, but basically 13 plus 15% on top of that. Okay, so the highlighted sentence above needs to be a little more specific. Instead of just saying the Department of Energy will rewrite the standards, it needs to detail the second part of the phase, that 15% improvement, which we don't get to see in the highlighted sentence. So let's go to the answer choices and see if there's a better choice that fits more in line with the context of this paragraph and the information in the chart at the bottom. All right? Okay, so here are the answers. If you were to skim through them quickly, you could see that D is an automatic cross-off. Get rid of it. It doesn't even mention the 15%. If you read C a little more closely, even though it talks about a 15% increase, that is an increase in all energy efficiency standards. The chart wasn't talking about an increase in efficiency standards, but just an increase in the efficiency of the air conditioning units. So we can get rid of C. It's a little misleading. And in B, we can see that it offers an additional 15% increase in efficiency, that it is required, and it's dealing with commercial air conditioning units. And this is 5 years later. Captures everything that we needed to see. So B is the best answer. And if you can hear in the distance, the Caltrain agrees. B, the best answer. So there you go. This SAT writing question was asking you to do more than just figure out the best way to write a sentence or which grammar rule was not being honored in the passage. You're going to have to use information from charts and incorporate them into the style, the structure, and the context of the passage. So if you want extra help doing questions like these or practicing those skills, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the screen. Or in the blog, click on the tutoring banner at the bottom of the page. Our tutors can help you tackle not only the grammar rules for the writing in the SAT, but how to answer these context questions better as well. All right, see you next time.